Hello, my name is Peyton Peterson. I grew up in Waquanago, Wisconsin. I currently go to UW-Platteville for mechanical engineering, but I am working here for the summer as a manufacturing engineer at Mitotec Precision. So far I've been doing a lot of design work, fixturing, working on the floor, root cause analysis, and a lot of other little small things that you just need to do. I would say that this internship experience was very insightful. I learned a lot. There was a great crew that was able to adapt to what I knew and how to push me to be better at different aspects of the job. And it was a lot of learning, a lot of teaching. Yeah. I was kind of given the opportunity to work on projects myself. I was kind of given like the reins, able to get my ideas implemented to find the solution, which is nice rather than someone like breathing down my neck, making sure I'm doing all the right moves. And it was kind of a lot of, figuring out by failing or tinkering different solutions, and yeah. The training and mentoring supervision here at my internship was very good. Everyone was very open to answering questions I asked or giving me an insight or ideas, yet they were encouraging me to use my ideas and seeing where they go. And they, like I said before, they kind of gave me the reins where it was trial and error rather than checking with them every single step of the way. I kind of had to figure it out for myself. The most rewarding thing from my internship this summer was seeing how my ideas being implemented on the floor have impacted production. I would say that the best perks working at Mitotec was for sure the housing. Got a huge condo, rent-free, and that really helped me out, especially being in college. It's really hard to pay 2 rents, especially finding some place to rent where you're only going to be here for 3 months. It gave me the opportunity to be able to stay out here and work with this amazing company.